jointly initiated by the most dedicated couple. These are Shri Marbai Yakai and Srimati Churoy Kandai. The couple who strongly believe that to be the winner in life, one needs to dream far and beyond. As the saying goes, sky is not the limit. The couple who were the parent of 5 siblings and my most beloved in-laws, who were the strong pillars of our Kandai family and its whole business entity, who humbly starts their life from the scratch. And with one dedicated step ahead, they are moving on and they never look back. Beating courageously all odds that comes their way and becoming the most successful business couple of today. Presently, under their constant guidance and supports, their children have taken over to steer ahead the business family, the family business legacy prosperously today, tomorrow, and 1,000 miles ahead. Tata Motors Limited has been this task has been conceptualized in the early part of 2019. It was supposed to be open and become fully operational last year, 2020. But as we all aware that due to the outbreak of global pandemic, COVID-19 last year, that puts the whole world worldwide in a complete standstill, where global economy, business entities, and lifestyle have been severely affected, and the whole global scenario has been transformed into a new dawn of an era.
Happy to be given this opportunity to come and inaugurate this authorized service center today. It gives me a great pleasure to see that there are entrepreneurs from our own district who are able to achieve such a monumental task in constructing such a huge facility and in setting up such a complex business. So I congratulate the Kandai family for taking this initiative in order to serve the people of the district and also the state as a whole. As you know, we have all seen our district is a very commercialized district. We can see the amount of trucks, the amount of heavy transport vehicles which passes through this very national highway, which is just next to the authorized service center. You can see thousands of commercial vehicles passing through every day. These vehicles will be requiring service and repairs and other modifications from time to time. Sometimes everyday vehicle will break down in the highway, and they face a huge inconvenience because there is no authorized service center in this entire stretch of highway. If there is any problem with a vehicle, if they need anything, they have to go to Shillong, which is not on the highway itself. So it's a huge inconvenience for the public as a whole and for the owners of the vehicle in particular. So with the opening of this MH & Sons enterprise, I'm sure all of those difficulties will be alleviated up to a great extent. This authorized service center, by way of being located right on the highway itself, will definitely serve the public in a long way. It will help the people of the district in particular very immensely. So once again, it is a huge undertaking, and I'm very proud to see that a family from our district has taken this initiative to set up such a service center in order to help the district.
And I could see it has been thoughtfully made with each and everything in mind, right from driver, mechanics, each and every room has been thoughtfully made so that we serve our customers well. We have got a vision of serving our customers within 2 hours. That's the reach time we have promised our customers, and I'm sure this workshop is certainly going to help us to achieve that objective. And the way the workshop has been made, the way I see the people here, they are all geared up to flock and serve our customers, and I'm sure we will meet that objective of providing Sampoon Seva to our customers within 2 hours. We definitely had issue here in terms of reach time to our customers, and we could not reach the way we wanted to be. But yes, Amazon Sun Enterprises, congratulations again for setting this beautiful workshop. It will certainly help us to gain market share. We already are the leaders, and you will walk with us to become leaders, and I wish you that you make many more workshops like these, and in future you become our dealers who can sell our vehicles.